Hello, everyone, and welcome to Steven Kitchen. Today, we're going to make a mouth-watering vegetarian curry that's perfect for any occasion. It's hearty, flavorful, and incredibly easy to prepare. Stick around for some tips and tricks to make your curry truly exceptional. Cooking instructions. Sauté the aromatics. In a large pan, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Sauté until they become fragrant and the onions turn translucent. Spice it up, add the curry powder, cumin, coriander, and turmeric to the sautéed mixture. Stir well and let the spices toast for a minute to enhance their flavors. Tips and tricks. Customize your veggies. Feel free to use any vegetables you like. This curry is versatile and can be adapted to your preferences. Add the vegetables, toss in your chopped vegetables. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to soften. Season with salt and pepper. Tomatoes and chickpeas. Stir in the can of diced tomatoes and the drained chickpeas. Let the mixture simmer for a few minutes. Broth and coconut milk. Pour in the vegetable broth and coconut milk. Mix everything well and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the flavors meld together. If you like your curry spicier, you can add chili powder or red pepper flakes at this stage. Adjust seasoning. Taste your curry and adjust the salt, pepper, or spices if needed. Remember, you can always add more, but it's hard to fix an overly spicy curry, so go easy on the heat if you're not sure. Tips and tricks. Balancing heat. If your curry turns out spicier than expected, you can balance the heat by adding a dollop of yogurt or a bit of honey to mellow the flavors. Once your curry reaches the desired consistency and flavor, remove it from the heat. Serve it over a bed of fluffy rice or with warm naan bread. Garnish with fresh cilantro. A delectable vegetarian curry that's sure to impress. It's a fantastic dish for vegetarians and meat lovers alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you tried this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!